Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Monday, October 7th. Going to remain dry today under mostly cloudy skies. Then we enter more of a complicated weather pattern for the next several days with possibly seeing a little bit of rain return in the forecast as early as tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have this pretty large front that is moving across the Appalachians and impacting the northeast this morning. That's going to slowly continue to move east throughout the day. It is going to be weakening pretty rapidly as we have this large area of high pressure moving in behind it, building into the east coast. Not really expecting a whole lot of precipitation or weather with this slow-moving front as we get into tonight. We are going to be seeing that front dry out and pretty much die off. It is going to give us an uptick in cloudiness with skies becoming overcast as we go into the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, and then remaining pretty cloudy and dreary here for the next couple of days. But as we go into tonight, we're going to also see a very broad area of low pressure try to start developing off the southeast coast and move northeast, and that's going to help to give us a northeasterly flow starting tomorrow in the next couple of days here, and then also helping to give us a slight chance of some light showers as early as tomorrow morning possibly. As of 8:15 a.m., just seeing a few clouds at 5,000 feet, broken cloud decks at 7,000, 21,000, and 25,000 feet. Seeing winds this morning from the south, fairly light, around 4 knots. We do anticipate those southerly winds to pick up as we go towards the late morning hours into the afternoon. Seeing a temperature at 8 a.m. of around 69 degrees, humidity at 80%. Let's take a quick look at our satellite this morning. We are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. There, toward the end of this loop here, you can see we do have that front giving us some showers and storms across the Appalachian region. Mostly cloudy here across the mid-Atlantic and across Virginia, North Carolina. And we are starting to see some cloudiness and showers well offshore, as well as we get that very broad area of low pressure try to start to develop over the next couple days off the southeastern United States. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing temperatures a little bit warmer than average as we go toward this afternoon, seeing those temperatures just under 80 degrees for our high today. Southerly winds are going to increase late this morning, around 9 to 14 knots and gusty, and then shifting southeasterly as we go towards the late afternoon hours into the early evening. And we're going to see those winds then become fairly light and variable as we get that front kind of dying off and moving over the area, and that flow switching more northeasterly as that broad area of low pressure starts to develop just east of the area. And that's going to turn our winds more northeasterly as we go towards the mid-morning hours of tomorrow. As we go into later in the morning, going to see those winds increase from the northeast around 10 to 15 knots and gusty, likely seeing a wind advisory as we go towards the late morning into early afternoon hours tomorrow. Going to be seeing a mild low tomorrow morning around 68, and it does look like with that onshore flow, we could, in a little bit of dynamics, we will be seeing just a slight chance for some drizzle or isolated showers, mainly after about 4 a.m., but only looking around a 20% chance at this time. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to just see a few scattered clouds near about 5,000 or 6,000 feet with some upper level broken decks as well throughout much of the workday today. As we go into tonight, we're going to see those clouds begin to increase, especially when that flow turns more northeasterly, becoming broken around 1,000 feet, possibly lower than that at times, especially after 2 a.m. And if we get into any drizzle or light shower activity after 4 a.m., going to see those ceilings drop down between about 500 and 1,000 feet at times by the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday. For tomorrow, going to be looking at cloudy and cool conditions with a high of 70. It is going to be slightly breezy at times as we're going to have that low well to the east of the area, and that's going to keep our pressure gradient tightened up for the next couple of days. So slightly breezy. We're also going to be looking at slight chance of some isolated showers tomorrow. Not going to see much change in that on Tuesday night with those cloudy conditions and a low of 63. Wednesday going to remain cloudy and cool, continuing to see a slight chance of an isolated shower. It does look like it's going to be a little bit breezier on Wednesday as we get that pressure gradient tightening up and that low moving just a little bit closer, helping to give us a little bit higher winds, especially along the immediate coast. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.